Good evening. It's Thursday. Good evening. And I hear echo again. It's Thursday. Darn it. Good evening. And I hear Where is my echo? There's my echo. Someone switched on my monitor sound. Good evening again. January 20. This is my second live stream for this week. Let's start the show. I hear all kinds of audio through several channels. I'm not sure why. Hope it's not on the stream. Let's open the code window. Well prepared again. It's not downloaded yet. Connect RDP, download RDP, connect, login. Take that to the other window and share the screen. I had to update my Visual Studio version because there was a new preview available. Let's have a look here. And Blazor add-in, I think that's the one that we were working on. Let's have a look. Today it's Office and Blazor time, Blazor and Office time. Trying to implement an add-in based on Blazor. That's a challenge because I don't think it's officially supported by Microsoft. Let's bring it into the right zone. Why is this so slow? Come on, you can do it. There it is. That should be the right place to be. Let's have a look. Is this the local version? No, this is now the version that's online. This is where the add-in is sitting. You can go to there if you have an internet connection. This is where we ended last time. And this should be running within Word. Let's close the website here. There's the localhost version. So let's run this. Let's see if we can load the localhost version. It's building the add-in. Why is there a red bar there? Is that new, the red bar? So this is the localhost Blazor add-in. So now if we go into WinWord, let's go into the options, Trust Center, and we have to find the trusted location add-in catalog, live coding 19, live coding 19 Blazor add-in, there it is. There are now two manifests. I don't think it will show both. So for instance, if we go in here and we change, there's probably something like Contoso in here, yeah. And change the local version as in software. Display name, hello local world, save, open a blank document in here, and we go to insert, my add-ins, shared folder, Blazor add-in provider name. That's interesting. Refresh. Blazor add-in provider name. Let's try and find provider name. There's provider name. This is the local one. Soft as in software. That's not the local one, that's the deployed one. This one, what is the provider name there? Yeah, so you can see that it's actually running this one. Where is it? And we need to rename this one to debug, test. Maybe call it local. So close this. And we close this again, save it all. Now we are renaming this. Stop. Oh, why is it pausing in this location? That's interesting. Let's stop. Close the window here. is this squiggly red? Interesting. Let's leave this alone for now. Let's rename the manifest here. Underscore. And then rename this to manifest, making that the leading one. And run this again. Oh, the nice little line is on the bottom of the screen there. I hope you all know some Latin. Let's change that. Let's see, is that much better? It's not running at all. Yeah, there it is. This is the local website. Now going to Windows Word, WinWord. Blank. Insert my add-ins. My shared folder. Soft as in software. That's the. Is that the local one? That's not the local one. Refresh. Soft as in software. Which one is it? That's the wrong one. That's this one. Not nice. Let's go in here. Tools, options, Trust Center. By the end of the stream, you will probably dream this. Clear. Okay. Close Windows again. Windows Word again. Open Windows Word again. Now go into the blank document. Insert. Shared folder. And it's still not the right one. There's a Blazor add-in description. That's also a nice thing to change. This is not the right one. Because this one will go to the interwebs, I think. Inspect. Sources. See, this one is from the Azure site. And we want a local version. I think that's because the manifest is found in the same folder. Maybe it's an alphabetical search or something, I don't know. So let's do that differently. Make us a new folder in here. Add a new folder. Let's rename this. First stop it, otherwise it won't do it. So rename this to manifest collection. And bring them both there. So this will be the local version. Local. Let's call that _live. Now copy this one. Copy this into the root folder. Copy. Paste. And rename this to manifest. Should be an option, maybe on debug. If you go to the properties, build, package, debug. Debugging. There used to be an option to, depending on where you were running, to do some extra steps in there. Events. There you are. Pre-build. This is debug. Post-build will be copy. What's it named? Manifest collection. Manifest collection. Manifest local XML. To the current folder. Then we have to delete this one. And let's try this, build this. One file copied. Oh, yeah, we have to rename it, obviously. So this will be, delete this. Copy the end. Save. Let's build it again. Why did it not rename it? think it does. This did not find any changes. Is that the case? Why is this? Delete it again. Save this. Let's change some code here to force it in. Let's build it. Now it's in there. I run this. What's this? Close that. Because that's under chat. Now it's running. Let's start Windows Word. Have a look at the options again. Trust Center, Trusted Locations. Clear that. Yes. Okay. Start Word again. Blank document, insert, my add-ins, shared folder, refresh. Wow, why is that not in there? Did I clear it? Options. Trust Center, Catalog. It should be in there. Live coding. Oh, maybe it's invalid. VS19. Blazor add-in. May need to test this. Go in here, command window. Let's look it up. Validate manifest. Nope. Oops, don't click the back button. We have installed this one, so we should have run this. Let's put that in some comment here. Local. Can we put some comment in here? What's this one then? That's another one. Web Blazor. This is going to where? This is the original one. The Contoso one, the default one. So probably need to throw that out. I'll keep it in for reference at this time. This is some like comment. That's good. Go in here. Where is it? Where's the manifest folder? Why is it showing all these scripted things in here? Comment. Cool. Take this, copy, go to the command window. First, put this in the right location. Oh, what's this strange folder there? That's not what I wanted. Let's do it this way. Open containing folder. Then go to command. Manifest local. Is it running? There it is. It is valid. So not sure why it's not recognized when it's put here. The joy of the manifest. Let's clear this and remove that. Yeah, open it while we run it again. Trust center, trusted catalog. No. Live coding VS19. Live coding VS19 / Blazor add-in. Add. Okay. Close it again. Start Windows again. WinWord. Oh, and it should be running, but it's not running, I think. Is it? This one is running. Let's run it again. There's the website. The website is working. Then we have a blank document. Insert. My add-ins. Shared folder. Why isn't it possible to connect to the catalog? That's new. Recently encountered this with another modern Office add-in, one where the process of deploying via trusted catalogs. What particularly frustrating is what was working a few weeks ago. Here's now the block web add-in. Block web add-in policy is not enabled, doesn't seem to blah blah. We were initially manually configuring block web add-ins. Trusted catalogs, when you configure those, because we need to target this particular offset in a subset of users, we cannot rely on setting the trusted catalog. Set up an add-in catalog on Office 365, no. Insert, upload my add-in, it will fail. But this is Outlook, I think. Oh, Word Online, Word Online. Present, there's something wrong with the Office 365 account. I don't think that's the case. Currently logged in. Cannot connect to the catalog, so there must be something wrong with the catalog. This folder. Looks like it's locked or something. Manifest collection. What's this? Let's try that again. Because the catalog is not recognized. Center, trusted thingy there. Remove. Now let's go in here. Live coding VS19. Blazor add-in. It's already highlighted. Copy, enter. Go back one step. one is it? I think this one. Why is that not showing any dates here? Let's do it different again. The other way. Go to here. Containing folder. One up. Properties. Sharing. There is a folder there. Done. Properties. Properties. Copy this. Copy. Close. Word. Okay. One word. Blank. Insert. Margins. Must be something with the manifest. Let's take the other one. Let's take properties here. Go to the properties again. Properties. And now copy not the local but the live version in there. Save. Run this. F5. That will still run the local version of the website, but the XML version should be different. That should now be the version with send to Notepad, open with Notepad. This is the one going to Azure. That should be okay. Let's move this one out of the way, by the way. WinWord. Options. Trust Center, Trusted Catalog. It should be clear. Close again. WinWord. Blank document. Insert. My add-ins. Shared folder. Now it's showing. So it must be the difference between the one or the other. And stop this again. Go in here, change the properties again to local. Only difference between release and debug would be to bring in live. So if we switch between release and debug, it's still going live. So there's no I thought there was an option to make that dependent on the build. Let's finish this with the local version. Let's have a look once more on what's in here. How that compares to this one. Completely different. Document format. Let's put them side by side and have a look. Live and local. Go put this to the right. Put it to vertical. That's the local version. That's the live version. Bring that to vertical. No, not vertical. Horizontal. There it is. That's better. Why is this standalone and the other one is not? Live, local. How is that with this one? No standalone option there. Office app, XML, task pane. Yeah, that's on the other line as well. How did I create this one? Version, copy. Maybe it's not allowed to have this in there. Let's do this. English US. icon. Let's see if that exists. If we run that, it's not 3000, I think. I think it's not 3000. Let's run this. 5. I think that's the issue. It's 1796. Copy. That must be the reason. Control H. Replace all. Let's continue there. Default value. Support URL. Why is there no S in there? We only want secure stuff here. Support, where is it? I'm not sure why this one is used. Go back to the description. There's the description. Screen. Let's check if that's running. Copy. That's also not to be found. Let's check the location for that. Images. And this is the name. The name is completely different. Icon for the add-in. That should be something like this. Copy. Let's test that. That's working. Good. So that's another reason. So this one won't work either. High resolution icon will be exactly the same, but then 6464. Icon used for something like that. Support URL and the domains. Let's copy the things there. Oh, it's also a workbook. Come on guys, this is an Excel thing. We don't want this Excel thing. Let's kill this. Delete. Don't save. Stop the show. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, whatever. So kill the local version because that's completely crap. That's a Excel version, not so much Word version. So that's should not be in here at all. Throw it out and copy this one. Copy. I said copy, paste. Rename this to local. Local 1L, please. And open this one and replace all the entries in here to all these things should be, what was it again? 7. Have to check it again. Properties. No, it's not filtering. Build. Port. Okay guys, where did you put the port number? Do I need to run it first? Something 1796 or so. 1796 indeed. Thanks for that. Where is it? Manifest local. Control H. Local host. No, I can just copy this in without the HTTPS because that's already in there. Replace all. That's the local version in this case. Source location. Oh, that's not be in there. Source location doesn't need an. It does need an terminator. Let's test drive with one of the buttons there. Copy. Go in here. There's the icon. Now let's try again. WinWord. Blank. Insert. My add-ins. Shared folder. It is the wrong one. Refresh. Yeah, that's because I created a copy for this. And now I don't see the difference anymore because this one, local version, should have some identifier in here. Where's the name there? Provider name. display name. Local. We'll change that later on, but first make sure that we identify the right one. Make this a local host. Local host. Local host. Oh, there's all these things. I don't want to double things in there. Control H. That's not good. I think that's better. Okay, save this and open Word again. WinWord. Let's see if we can do it without going into the trusted properties. Insert my add-in, shared folder. That's not good. Blazor add-in description. That's the wrong version. Options. Trust Center, trusted catalogs. Clear this. Okay. And close this. Oh, it's not running. Let's run this again. Starting the local website, local add-in. That should be hosted within Word. Windows Word again. Go blank page. Insert. Already an hour on our way, just to make sure that it can be loaded. Shared. This is the localhost version, that's good. That's the right one. Add. Now let's see if it also works. Loading. Yeah, there's the Blazor version. Our Blazor add-in in Windows Word. Let's say hello world. That's working. Nice. This will fail because that's not allowed. And it will give you a reload issue. Now on the right there should be some links in there. Look at this, my website in Word. How about that? And are we live? Yes, we are also live here. Going back. Click about. Even that's working. Because this one is a trusted, one of the trusted app domains. If you go to the Visual Studio version, the manifest file here, one of the trusted locations is this one that allows you to open this about box here. Because if we go into the, can we press F12 in here? No, we can do this. Touch debugger. The source from docs.microsoft.com. So that's true. So now one of the challenging things here, where we started not yesterday, last week. If you do the click setup, it will provide an intro there with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. So the next one will be to create content controls on each paragraph. So let's work on that. I'm already quite happy with what we accomplished yet. It's interesting because this is now so small. If we do this, it will also resize your columns there. That's nice. But obviously this is total irrelevant for the Word document. I want to do things with this and not so much showing my web page in there. Interesting is that the menu still works here, while if I put the menu in my add-in, that did not work. So maybe I should adopt the navigation from this one. Default width is something like this. Then you have the hamburger menu, but that's also still working. Depends, maybe if we form one of the things there, hello world, and then go to the website again. Let's see if it's still working then. I think it's just reloading a new website. It still works. Also find this one very cool. So the layout is quite okay. Well, let's dive in. Don't save. Now we have a starting point. Now we are talking. Because we have to go in here, I think. This is no longer needed. Let's see what's in here. With the example of calling a JavaScript function show alert, this will fail. So let's take that out. We don't want to put things in here that are failing. Also, if I open my other website, my home page, that is, my Blazor website, let's make this a little bit more suitable for the stream, not overlapping the chat window, because there's a lot of chat going on in the chat window. Not really, but let's see, the index file from what I want to go. This is soft as a software, I think. Is it? Is the Blazor in? Where's the other one? Did I open it twice? Really? I opened it twice. The idea is that if I make a mistake, that from the chat you correct me and tell me that I opened the wrong one. So do this again. And now open the website as planned. Because I want to copy some things there. Let's copy the CSS. But let's first have a look at the layout. This is the main layout. Where we have done things like this. Trademark message, copy, and bring that over to the other one. Is this Blazor? No, this is not Blazor. It is Blazor, but it's my website. Let's stop this. Have a look at the shared folder. There's a main layout again with 2 links. Let's just override all this. Why is this layout component base? Paste. Oh, it's also layout component base in there. The navigation menu is not available here yet. So let's take that out. And the header also don't need the image yet, because I'm only interested in the layout trademark message. And let's see, this is default bootstrap class content and class main. I think that's in the CSS here. Would it be possible to make this a bigger font? I don't know. Pages, where is the CSS? Here. This one. So I want to adopt the footer to the first one. Where is the footer? There's the footer. Copy. Bring that in here. Section samples. Content, let's put it in here somewhere. Then we have the content part with some padding in there. I also have a content part here as well. That could be right, so let's leave the original in. Then we have the header. copy. We don't have a header in here. If I'm looking at this, this will bring in an image again. Don't put a background in there. Oh, you can put a background in it or the color. Just to see how big it is. And make that for now some test value. Let's take the same color as in the footer. Where's the footer? This one. Copy. Why is it not showing my little color thingy there? Is that an add-in? CSS color picker Visual Studio 2022. We have the power tools installed. Tools and features, maybe. Not in here. I want the marketplace stuff. Manage preview features. What's that? Allow out of process load, out of save. I think that's important. Configurable nesting, file nesting. Disable automatic binding. Enable all IntelliCode preview features. I want all the IntelliCode preview features. Enable delayed Xamarin solution. I don't use Xamarin this time. Enable indexing for fast find. Enable line staging support. Enable multi-repo. Enable trust repository. Enables HTML CSS language server protocol powered editor experiences. HTML and CSS LSP editors. Editors. Language server protocol. Language server protocol is from Microsoft. What is the language server protocol? Adding features like autocomplete to go to definition, on Hoover, language server, overview, specification, implementations. CSS in there. Maintainer by Microsoft. Repository Visual Studio Code. That's interesting. Let's try that. Log incremental build failure. Prioritize. Replace go to with Visual Studio Search. Rich code navigation. Use improved.NET type resolution. I think we should spend a stream on all these items there. Product updates. Automatically update. So this we need to reopen this. Save this. Reopen. Blazor add-in. Let's see if we get some nice helpers there now. Project loaded and ready to use. Get some color highlight now. There it is. Look at it. How cool is that? I already like this. Why is it not enabled by default? And you see the grouping here. Cool. Where did my header footer there? Background is now gray. Same as here. Well, it's kind of bluish. And go to the main layout. We have a main class. Is that in here? Main. There's no main in there. So have a look at this one. Also no main class. Not in CSS, that is content container. That's quite default from for Bootstrap. Let's run this now. Let's see if we can get some Blazor code in there. This is not the right one that I wanted to build. Stop it. Stop it. This is my website. Did not want to run the website. I wanted this one. F5. We do have a footer there, but and it is Blazor, that's also right, but this is not what I completely had in mind. Maybe Control F5 to bring in the CSS. There you are. Don't you hate the caching for the so now let's make the header a little bit smaller. Let's put the H1 soft as in software. Oh, that's not completely what I had in mind. Make this 2. and Blazor add-in. Still running. There you are. Copy, same thing. Delete line. Bring this up a little bit. Format it. Reset. Format it. There you are. Now go into the CSS and make the height of the header a little bit less. 15. Let's make that 5 for now. And are we reloading immediately? Hot reloading? Don't think so. Almost, but not quite. Let's stop this. Run it again. Oh, build errors. Oh no. Oh no. It's in use? How is this in use? Because it was still building, maybe? Think so. Loading? Still not on the separate rows, and for that we need to fix this. Add some class rows in there. Equals to row your boat. Deflex align center, justify content centers. That should be good. Let's have a look at the CSS. The header is, the footer is flex direction column. Copy. Let's bring the flex direction in as well. Font weight. Let's see if it's hot reloading. Don't think so because it changed the CSS. Control F5. Yeah, but now the height of the header is too small. Let's increase that with 5. There you are. Still an ugly thing, but we're getting closer because we will fix these as well. Go write some text. How does that look in here? Index there. This I'll put in one row. Counter is still in there. To test this one. Now we have sections. Current count, so there it ends. insert and change content control. So this one was fixed, set up. So now going to the next one. What does it look like? Try it out. Header, insert content controls on each paragraphs and do it all. And do it all. Where is it? There is do it all. So I might make this type button, class button info, button info, then on click equals to something like try it. That obviously is not recognized. Don't need a label. Content controls. Controls, not controls. Controls. Where is the setup here? That's in the background. So we are going to do something like copy this. And that should go like insert content controls. And how did we name this? Try it out, try it. Try find to this one, because that's a JavaScript interop. How did this not find function there? Stop this for a while. Why is it not finding it through all files? Because JavaScript is not included. Because I think this is stored in scripts in here. Setup documents, there it is. Setup documents, so this would be this one was the first part where we inserted the paragraphs and try catch there. Delete even content controls tag. I think it's this one. Insert content controls, that's the one. Copy this. Make that try it, insert content controls, that's already correct. Let's also fix this one to make sure that it's already named correctly, that we know what it's doing. Let's find try it. Nowhere to be found. Try. There. So there's a section. Let's fix it with the same layout as the previous one. Try it out. Then we have some information there. Insert content controls. We will have a look at it in detail if we see that it's working. Tag and add event handlers. That's disabled for now. Because that is not working. Let's bring this also down. Yeah, save. Let's run this. It's still under the impression that it's still running. Rebuild and apply changes. Now we have a setup button and a try it out button, but it's in should not be in the same row. So let's run this in Word, and have a look at it. Let's have a look how my design skills are working. Insert my add-ins. Do a refresh on this. Refresh. Edit. Should be almost the same. This is not right. It is right, but it doesn't include the CSS. Control F5. There you are. And now you see that the space for the footer is incorrect. Because it did not take that into account on the body part, I think. Let's have a look here. Blazor. Go to the CSS. We go to the application. I think in the body here. No, not in the body. Should be some spacing. Media card, live, primary buttons. I have some margin in the content, I think. Padding top. Oh, that's what we did not change in the other one. HTML body. Once you're used to having this other layout, then you're going to miss this minimum height. There should be some padding in the bottom, in the footer, I think. There's content controls. So the content controls are in the, let's have a look. In here. Yeah, there's only rows in here. Rows and sections. While in the other one, if we go to index, where's the index? There, no, there. There's a page, there's nothing in here. We don't have rows. Copy this. Oh, I have specific. That's the reason, I think. Specific CSS on the main layout. Is that the case in here as well? Main layout, there's also CSS. Let's compare that. Relative flex, 1 linear top row. Which one is which one? That's the website. This is the add-in. White space, margin left, and text decoration none. Well, the first child, there's a difference here between this has a deep thing in there. What does deep mean? Media, there's also media thing. So there's duplicate media in both the main layout and the CSS. Flex direction, row, sidebar, top row. Some different items in here. Wonder what this deep thing means. It's not a valid pseudo element. Okay, but it's not in the CSS either. This is the website, but this one needs some padding on the footer, I think. This is the Blazor add-in, is it? Yeah. Maybe the media. Well, let's have a look at the CSS again. This one. Find CSS here. Here we are. Iconic. This is split into two. I gave the body a different color. No, not the header format. Save. Oh. Continue editing. there's an app in there. And there's no app in here, I think. Pretty sure there's no app in here. That's making the difference. Copy. Pretty sure that will fix it. Rebuild and apply changes. And the header is already in there. Still not taking the space into control, but let's put the footer, put some padding in there. EM. Oh, and again, it's in the wrong window. Go into this one. Bring that back. Location. Where's the footer? Where's my footer? There. Oh, it's not even running anymore. That should fail. Oh, it's still cached apparently. Let's run this. Put some padding in there, I think. That's not right. If you look at this, for I, let's make it smaller and see how this is progressing. There you are. That's the issue. This is the issue. Let's point to this thing there. This one. Yeah, the padding is internal. We want the margin. So let's change the padding over to margin. Margin top. Let's start this, run it, close Word for now. Don't save. Don't save. Let's make this a little bit smaller and see how that's progressing. No, that's not. I think that's what we need. Yes, that's really true. That sticks nicely to the bottom. Oh, I should not close it because we wanted to run it in Word as well. Let's run it again. I said run it again. There we are. Go to Word. Go to options first. Trust center, catalog. Clear this. Yes. Okay. Close. WinWord. Insert my add-ins, shared folder, refresh this, click this, add it. Now we have a new one. Yeah, and even the footer is now right. Set it up. There is are the paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. Now the challenge will be to click this one, and that's giving us an error. Why is this giving us an error? Let's inspect this. Put it a little bit side by side. Go to console, I think, and then we click this, and that's giving an issue. Could not find insert content controls with a little I. Why not copy? Code window. Let's find this. There's some insert control thing. It's set to private. So it's not able to find this one. This is duplicate, I think. So this one should be located in the JavaScript file next to this one. Setup document. That's in the website scripts, I think, in this one. Async function, what's the difference? Setup document, that's this one. Oh, it's not exported. Yeah, so this was the challenge. Copy, do a split window there. And go all the way up. Insert paragraph, that's what we already done. Is this one? That should say export async function, something like this. Then awaiting. I think that's it. Let's do multiple awaits here. Yeah, let's save this. Close all of this. Don't save it. Don't save the page, stop this. Was distracted a little bit. Do we save this already? Save it. This can be terminated. What's this? That can be closed as well. Let's run it again. Yeah. And go to Word. Insert, let's check this again. Shared folder, refresh this. Update, add. Run this. Set it up. All the paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert content control, and it's still failing. Maybe we should refresh this. Control F5. What? Inspect. Still not able to find the thingy there. I most likely need to reload the thing again. So go and close this. I said close it. Go in here. Cross center, catalog, clear. Okay, yes, okay, 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 okay. And more. Okay, so let's close this and then save it. We don't save it and we go into Word again to add it again. Set to add it again. My add-ins, shared folder, refresh. And got it. It's now new because you saw the balloon there. Loading, taking a little bit longer. Let's reload it again. Control F5, forcing it in. Setup. And it's failing. Come on. Why is it failing? Oh, okay. Cannot read properties of undefined add. So we're doing a little bit more. So let's have a look at the read properties of undefined. Read properties of undefined. That's interesting. Move next. Undefined add. Where's the export here? Did we even get some output here? This one is failing. That's the handler. The on-delete handler is not working. So let's take that out. And that's another one. Selection changed. We don't want the handler in yet. Tag is set to even, odd. It will provide tags on each of the content controls. And what's this part? Deleting it. Deleting content controls. Save. Yeah, so we need to rebuild it now. Make sure that it's not adding the event handlers, because I posted an issue to the Microsoft repo that it's actually failing on the handlers. So build this again. Oh, it's still running. Kill it. Kill! Is it stopped? Yeah, it stopped. We can close this one. Let's run this again. That will be the local add-in here, running .NET 6.01. And and go into Windows Word. Clean it up first. Go to Trust Center, Trusted Adding Catalogs, clear. Yes, okay, 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 okay. And close this and run a fresh Windows Word item there on a blank page. Bring in the add-in that we just developed. Shared, refresh, click, add. Now we have a new one, I think. Click this. So we first set it up, 4 paragraphs in the document, and then we insert content controls, and it's still failing. Maybe Control F5. Okay, inspect it again. I did remove this, so that's not good. Don't save. We also did not see the reload message. So let's force it into building here. By going into the index there. Why is there squiggly? Non-nullable property. Private member index show alert window is unused. That's true. Because I took that out. Alert. Show alert, that's this one. Because that's no longer used anymore. That will also trigger the change. What's this? Yeah, requires a restart. Sure, that's what I want. Build it again. Output. Let's clear a project here. Clear. Clean solution. F5. Not sure if it was rebuilding it currently. Win Word again. Did it load? Yes, it did load. Options. Trust Center, Trusted Catalogs. This one, clear. Yes. Okay, 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 okay. And close it. Go to Windows Word again. Two hours in now, 2 hours and 10 minutes streaming. Insert my add-ins, share folder, refresh, and now we have the new balloon Got it. Click. When you get the initialization balloon, that's an indication that it's it had been reloaded. Try it. 4 paragraphs. And it still fails. Come on, guys. Why is it still failing? Make it a little bit readable by making the white scope critical. Print error. Mono WASM invoke. Let's see. Unhandled exception rendering component cannot read properties of undefined add. I think I deleted that. 2747. That's nice that it's showing this thing. But it's not showing the... Is there more ads in here? I don't think so. Wait, what is that? Tag. Is this called? For some reason it's not showing this. So why is it failing then? Insert content controls. Can I do a break on there? No. What's the error message again? Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading add. Reading updates. When you use attributes on the signature pad component, like on signature change, let's see if we can what happens if we click the button in the other one in here. Shift I. See if that's doing the same thing. But this is an old one. That's a real old one. Version console. Okay. It's not supposed, but there's also counter in there. Why is there a counter in there? Thought I removed the counter here. Is that also in the Word website? It's also in here. Oh, well, that's still working. Okay, let's do some smaller steps then. Close all of this, close that, don't save. Go into the code here. Where is the code for this one? Let's close all these things. Close all tabs and go with a fresh there. So we remove the add things here. Oh, there's a control. It's odd. Oh, there's an add. That's also a handler, and we don't want the handler in. It was not lying at all. There's an add in here. Just wrap every content control. So now the add is gone, so that's good. Now I removed all the handlers here. Selection changed. The content control added one, but it's on the document. Event handler on the document. Maybe I did not load the debug library for this. But let's first save this and run this, because now I'm pretty sure the add is gone. Close this and rebuild it. We have the technology, we can rebuild it. Yeah, that works, because this is a pure Blazor one, doesn't need Word for that. Where is it? Windows, Word, WinWord. Go, oop, plop. Clear this, yes. Okay, 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 okay. Close this. Go to Word again. Go into blank page. My add-ins. Shared folder. There it is. Refresh this. Go and add it. Now we have a new balloon. Click this. Let's see, the counter is still working. Hello world, inserting, clean. Now we have content controls. Do you see? It actually worked. That calls for a trollolololo. Okay, so we are one step beyond. We now have an add-in that's capable of bringing in content controls. If you go to developer and go to design mode, you should now see that we actually have content controls here. Do they also have a tag? Properties. There's an odd tag on there. And if we go to the other one, properties, that's an even, so that also worked. How cool is that? Is the link still in there? I don't think so. We removed the link there. The main layout. Oops, it would be nice to make that a link. Call JavaScript, write some text to the Word document function. Good. Let's see if we can bring in another step. So put the setup first. There's setup. We start with the setup. There was an option to bring in comment in here. Oh, but this is a JavaScript file. Okay. Insert content controls. That's the second one. Control X, go down and bring that in here. Content control tagged, not handled. Tagged. So for now, take the event handlers out because that's not working in this version. Let's also find what library we are currently using, because this one is not working at all. Current document. So versus each paragraph of the document and wraps a content control on each with either an even or odd tags. Load all. Clean that up a little bit. We don't want to delete content controls yet. Here. Oh. like this. Modify content controls. Delete event content controls. Tag and event handler content controls. Now we can do it in separate items, because here's the add handler again that is failing. Insert paragraph. Export show alert, that's not working in Word. This one, bring it all the way down to the ones that we tested. Add title and colors to odd and even content controls and make changes in their appearance. I think that's a nice one to try. Let's go into the index part. There. The counter is also in here. So we should take the counter out of the index page. There's no need to do that anymore. Let's make this some normal text. Code thingy is not needed here. Every button. Setup samples. Interesting that we put a separate class around that. Oh, like that, yeah, samples. Try it out. So put some things down there. No, let's do the other one. Modify content control appearance. I think that's a nice one. Copy. I'll just bring this up. And do something like this. Copy, because we want to convert it into a Blazor button. Blazor trigger thing there. On click. Change controls. Let's see what was the naming again here. Modify content controls, that's the name of the function here. Copy. There are no add things here, I think. Event handlers are not in here. So that's good. So we would need to copy this and bring that into the button. Modify content controls. Modify content controls. That allows this to go. Let's make it the same kind of formatting. Try it out. Span, Microsoft font, button ID. Oh, wait. Let's do it the same way like this. I'll split it again here. Button ID, change controls, class will be button. Button info. Then copy the on-click part. Bring that in here. Now this can go, and this can go. Put it back. Save. Rebuild. I think I needed to do something. I need to export the file also. No. What's the error? Does it not exist? That's true. Show alert window. That's gone already. Let's export the file in the examples. Export function like this. Copy. Bring that into modify. Where's the modify thingy? Tag. Delete. Handle. This one. Like this. Save. Let's run it. Oh, there's an error. No. Yeah, that's also true, because the on-click should have the capital M thingy there, and that should go to the same location as here. Copy, because we want to await this. Modify content controls, put that into scope for this guy. Let's make that the JavaScript function. think the using thread tasks is already adopted by this one. It's not. So why is it grayed out? Also curious to see if we can just do things like this. Then we take this out and do this. That's good. Let's run this. Why is this looking different than this one? Is there a link in there? Index razor there. Button ID change controls. Button it's button link. It should not be a button link. Stupid. I didn't say it should be a button link. Smart doing itself. Let's run this again. Close. Terminate this one. F5. Now it looks exactly the same. So going to Word again. In Word. Options. Let's do the clean dance again. Trust center. Trust catalogs. Select this. Clear. Yes. Okay. 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 Close. We're in Word again. Blank. Insert, myadins, shared folder, refresh, click, add, no new button. Looks like it's not always doing the same thing. Oh, why is it already failing now? Ctrl F5 maybe. Inspect. Unexpected reserved word. What's the unexpected reserved word then? what is the word then that is used? Index eraser, line 15. Line 15. So. Don't see what the issue is here. Other than that they removed the threading thing. GitHub. Git. If you compare with unmodified. Do we have an unmodified? This one. Oh. That's closing the wrong window, but let's stop this anyway. And maybe it's also not working with this on pages yet. Where's the namespace? We need to take that out. Redocument. Yes, needs to restart. That should be done also. F5. Close Word here again. Don't save. That's there. Now go to Word again. Blank. Now we should go to the options. Clean it out first, because I don't want to get rid of that thing. Trust Center. Adding catalog, select this, clear this. Yes. Okay. 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 How many times do we need to say okay? Insert my add-in. Now we should close it first. Then restart Word. Bring in the add-in again. Shared folders. Refresh. There it is. Add-in. No balloon. Set it up. It's already failing here. Why does it think? Control F5. Inspect. Inspector gadgets. Index razor.cs line 17. Look at that. Oh, that's not the right one. This one. Compared to... I already put it back. compare to unmodified. Took out the show alert. Modified contact controls is brought in. That should not be an issue. Same is the same. I think we just need to clean. Let's clean it again. So stop this one. Stop this one. Then we're going to clean this. Clean it. That will force it to be. Because there's still an error in there as well. I'll close this. It's going to win Word again. Options. Trust Center, Trust Center, Trust Center, Network Share, Clear. Okay, yes. Okay, okay. Okay. Let's close this. Reopen. Let's see if the button is now removed or not. There's still a button, so that's not good. Options. Trust Center. Is it visible if we go to add-ins here? Trust Center, catalog. Remove, clear, yes, okay, 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 try again. Let's see if it's still in there. Now it's gone. It's a rebuild solution. Why is this still complaining on this one? I think it's time to restart Visual Studio again. Sometimes Visual Studio is a bit off, especially when we are using Blazor. No complaints. F5. Build succeeded. No issues, I think. Starting the web page. Oh, what? Oh, okay. loading. There it is. The counter is now gone. That's good. WinWord. Options. Trust Center, Trust Center, Trust Center add-in. Live coding VS 19 Blazor add-in, I think. Let's see if that exists. It is. There's the manifest. Add catalog should be visible. Okay. 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 Close Word again. And run Word again. It should be done more efficient, but for now it's working, I think. Shared folder, refresh. Click that, add in the document. We still don't get the new balloon message. Come on. Why is this failing? This also fails. Not sure where the reserved word came from. It's complaining about line 16 or something. 17. Line 17 of index Razor CS. On initialized async, but that did not change. Line 17, let's have a look. There. 17 is this one. So there must be an error in this file. Pretty sure I've messed up. I was about to say something with the F word, but it's in here. Setup document, insert. Where's the modify? This one. Git compare with unmodified. Missing something here, I think. Export function. Export. Insert paragraph. That's the problem, I think. It should be an async. async function. There we are, just missing one word. That's very bad. Don't delete your async words. Set it up. That's working again. Insert content controls. Now we have content controls. Wow. How cool is this? Hello world is also still working. Why is this not side by side? Well, for now, I think we're 3 hours in. I think we made some good progress. We go set up here, insert content controls, that's working, and we modify the content controls, also working. How cool is that? So we need to bring in some menu if possible, and lots to do there, because this is all JavaScript, but we also have to bring in some more Blazor stuff to impress the people. But so far I think it's nice. It's good to be able to do this. So for now I need to fix you have to copy the manifest. So close this, don't save. Now we are going to do this. Close this, close the website here, because that's not needed anymore for now. That will be continued on Tuesday. Then what we need to do is go into the properties here. Properties, where are the properties? There. No. I wanted the project properties. These, I think. Properties. And change it over to build. Change this over to live. Save that. Then run this, build this first. Do you want to stop the debugger? Yes, I want to stop the debugger, because I want to copy in the other manifest file. Let's run this, see if it's now going to the website on Azure. It's not going to the website. Yeah, it is, because it's starting local. But if we go into Word, WinWord, and we go to options again, Trust Center, Catalog, Clear, yes, okay, lots of okays, close Windows, Word, reopen WinWord. Now we should see if we do the same thing, Trust Center, Catalog. Oh, it's already in place, obviously. Go to Insert. Oh, we should open a blank page first. insert, my add-ins, shared folder, refresh. Now we have the website version, the Azure version, and load this. See, this is the old one, crappy old one. So close this, don't save, close, close all documents here. Then we're going to see all the changes there. We created a folder with the manifest collections, a live one, local one, and one for reference. The index razor was changed, the main layout was changed, the CSS was changed, the script is changed. Backup project, I'm not sure who created the backup project. And then these ones were moved, and this one is a copy of, in this case, the live version. So that's good. Bring them all in, all changes. What's in here? Drop all now. I'm going to do them all. Stage changes, everything staged. Then added more OfficeJS functions to our Blazor driven Office add in and commit and staged and synced. We should be working with branches because we are currently working directly to the master branch, and that's usually not recommended. But we'll do it anyway now, for now. Do you also feel it's snowing? It's getting cold here. Let's go to GitHub. Let's close this. GitHub. Let's check if the add-in actions are not triggered. Send Boxy Plus. That's interesting. Go here. Go to my profile. Go to my repositories. Blazor add-in. That should have actions. Actions are now running. It's building apparently. Yeah, building with .NET. Warnings. .NET publish. File copied, upload artifacts now. Runner admin. In the meantime, while you are doing nothing, please subscribe, hit the bell, and follow on Twitch if you're not already following. There we are, build complete. That's good news. Do we have other actions that we need to wait for? Yeah, it's still running. It's now deploying. Took 2 minutes and 7 seconds to build. I should also make a project for this, and so that we can register some tasks and things and work items. Deploy completed, and we have a link. Let's run this and see if it's loading or not. It is loading, so that's good, and it has the new buttons there. The layout is still crappy, but we have this fancy header and footer now in. Where is it? Yeah, we need to go to Word. It's getting late already, so I'm getting tired. WinWord. I think the manifest is already the right one. Maybe we should just load it again. Reload it. Shared folder. Let's refresh this. Click this and select add. We did see some changes there. That's the old one. So now Control F5. That's the new one. And this should be running on Azure. Let's have a look. Inspect. Sources. That's indeed running from Azure. So that's good. That's good and cool. Cooler things. So now let's test this. We have the hello world. It's functional. We have the setup. Clean the document and put in some paragraphs. That's working. Then we putting in some content controls for each. Oh. It should bring in the content controls for each of these items. That's not good at all. Why is this failing? There's no content controls here now. Insert content controls was undefined. That means the index was not refreshed, because that will also fail this one. That's not good. Why didn't they update the index? Was that get ignored? Maybe. I think they ignored it. Let's go in here. Insert paragraph. this should be okay. And this in the scripts. Is that part of the git ignore? Let's have a look at GitHub there. Go in. Code. Blazor add-in. Tap root. Scripts. 9 minutes ago, so that should be okay. It's definitely in there. So it is in there. Is there some evidence in the deployment? Creating, adding there. Let's see what the changes are here. Backup project. Framework. That's the manifest file. That's the local file. What are the domains in this one? No domains. Manifest local. Index of the Blazor. Index of the Blazor. Check warning. Yeah, that's a build warning. Show alerts taking out. CSS file, JavaScript. Export async, that's true. This is the right one. Async context. Word run async context is exactly the same. Should be good. That's all good. So I'm not sure why it did not compile using that one. Do we need to add a clean option first? Started. Clean solution, maybe. Clean solution. And also let's check the git ignore thing. Blazor add-in. There's no git ignore. Git ignore. Did we put a git ignore in here? Open with Notepad. Okay, not sure why it was not built with that thing. If you go to the actions, and we have one workflow. Oh, doing it again. So I wonder if we get the, let's go to Azure, I think. Blazor. Test heading. There's a console, I think, in here somewhere. Let's stop this and restart it. is this failing now? Type error, failed to fetch dynamically imported module. Dynamically imported module. It's caused by having the Blazor app running in a subfolder of the root directory. Oh wait, I did change the layout, I think. Let's check the layout thing there. What did it say again? This one is working. What was the messages now in here? Because I recognize something like this, the base href. This one. That did not change, if I'm correct. Compare. What changed in this one then? Nothing special, if you ask me. The base is not changed. Let's have a look for the reference of this file, this one. Copy. Did that change? Excuse me. That did not change. Not sure why that one failed. Restricted mode is intended for blah blah blah. That's interesting. Maybe just need to rebuild it. I don't see why this would fail. Can we see that in the Azure thing, maybe in here. Go to maybe console. Nothing in here. Go. So can we get Git to clean it? GitHub. Cache. Automatically remove any cache entries not being accessed. To change the key. What key are we talking about here? That's used as part of the actions cache action. machine here. Build configuration release. So not sure why it's not adopting this one properly. Let's make some changes here. See if it's rebuilding. Save. Forcing in a rebuild. By removing some unused handlers. Stage that in. Let's go to the actions again. Checkout action. Setting up. That's the installer. Installation finished. as a warning. Build succeeded. Did deploy now. Control F5. Doesn't show issue anymore. So let's try this with Word again. Reload it. I'm not sure why this is happening, but it's getting too late. I get up early tomorrow, so let's wrap this up. So what we were able to do, at least locally, is to insert content controls and to modify content controls on the document itself. Why it's not working now when deployed, I'm not sure, but let's find out next time. So by now it's Friday the 21st of January already. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll be here next week again on Tuesday. Continuing with the Blazor website with my website containing the references to my YouTube videos. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, hit the bell, and follow on Twitch if you're on Twitch. Thanks for watching today, and see you next time.